Hello everyone, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now roll this section of the hair in on itself. Tie a low ponytail at the base of the hair, add a rubber band in the middle section, roll it upwards into a bun, make a small gap into it before you do so. Now roll it up and then pin it up using a multiple prong decorative pin as such. Next, we will start off by taking this bendable braid maker. Now take multiple sections of the hair from either side of the hair and then insert it into each of the crevices that are present until you reach the bottom. Now once you reach the bottom, add a rubber band to the base of it, add a decorative rubber band in order to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Now adjust the hair accordingly. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail. Then, using a bun stick, take it to the bottom, wrap the hair around it as such, twist it, and then roll it into a bun. Insert one into the other and then adjust the hair around it accordingly. Now use a decorative clip in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we will start off by taking a multi-level clip, pin it up at the back. Take a section from the top of the hair, twist it, insert it into the middle level of the clip. Next, take a section from the right side, twist it, and then insert it into the left section of the clip. Now, take a section from the left side, twist it, and then insert it into the right section of the clip. Next, take a multi-level clip, take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the middle level of the clip, then take another section from the left side, once again insert it into the middle layer of the clip. Now take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the right side of the clip, and do the same with the left side of the hair. Comb the bottom of the hair in order to keep it in order. Next, take the hair, gather it together at the base, and then twist it around your finger in order to make this bun. Take the rest of the excess hair remaining and then wrap it around. Use this decorative clip in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we will take the hair, take these multi-level clips, take a section from the right side and then pin it up at the back. Take a section from the left side and then pin it up onto the rightmost section of the clip. Then take a section once again from the left side and another one and insert it into the left and the middle section of the clip. Now take the hair together, gather it at the base and then tie a rubber band to it. Now make a gap in the middle, roll the hair in on itself as such. Do it almost till the end and make it into a bun. Now roll it upwards and add a clip around it and make sure that it is a decorative clip in order to make it look all the more better. Thank you for watching.